Welcome to this DigiPara Liftdesigner 2017 preview. We will show you in this video how you can reuse Autodesk Inventor files within DigiPara Liftdesigner. This is a rail bracket that has been designed inside Autodesk Inventor. It's driven by a Microsoft Excel file. The main parameters in this Excel file drive the geometry of this rail bracket. This is a typical procedure how draftsmen configure their parametric products. So by saving this Excel file, we are able to update this model within Autodesk Inventor. There are some more files within Autodesk Inventor, like a drawing file that shows the same content as a drawing. This in mind, we are now going to DigiPara Liftdesigner. What you see here is DigiPara Liftdesigner. What we want to do is we want to replace the simplified Liftdesigner bracket by the Autodesk Inventor model. So we choose the rail bracket and we go to Load CAD file. Next, we select the CAD file from Autodesk Inventor, which is the rail brackets IAM file. This file gets loaded, and in the background we can see that the rail bracket is already there, but it's in the wrong direction. In the next step of this wizard, we can easily align the rail bracket to the right direction. Just by clicking on the related button, we can rotate in all directions this bracket. We now go to the final step, and you see the rail bracket is available in the drawing. What we can see is that the rail bracket has the wrong size. To get the bracket in the right size, we can map the parameters. So we choose the Inventor Excel file, and then inside this wizard we can easily map DigiPara Liftdesigner parameters on Excel fields. Just by choosing the right parameter from the data tree, we can assign parameters from Liftdesigner to the Inventor Excel file. Once this is completed, you see that the model in the background is automatically updated. So what happens if you change a dimension? In this example, we change the distance between the wall and the counterweight, and you see that the rail bracket has not the correct size. The operation is pretty simple. You can select the rail bracket again, and then on click Update. What happens is that Inventor is started up, the bracket is loaded, and the new dimensions are applied. Once this is completed in Inventor, it's then loaded into DigiPara Liftdesigner. Keep in mind that all changes that you did in Liftdesigner also updated your Inventor files. So all your drawings in Autodesk Inventor are also up to date and have the same dimensions. So your manufacturing materials are ready at the same time. So what does this mean? When you make a change inside DigiPara Liftdesigner, all Inventor models are updated. Also, all DigiPara Liftdesigner drawings are automatically updated. Your Inventor components are available in all sections and on all papers. So when you create a PDF, a DWG, or any export, the bracket is available in all drawings and all sections. If your architect requests a BIM model, you can export the file to a BIM file and send it to the architect. Let's assume this is the architect. He uses DigiPara Elevator Architect to import your BIM model into his building. Just by clicking some parameters, he can easily load your model into his Revit building. You see, all parts of your elevator are now automatically installed within the architect's building. And you can clearly identify that the bracket that we developed inside Autodesk Inventor becomes available to the architect's BIM model. DigiPara Liftdesigner 2017 will become available in autumn 2016. It's also available with the same functionality for SolidWorks and PTC Creo. Thank you very much for your time.